When I came here the first time after the earthquake, almost more than 90% people are homeless. They don't have enough clothes, so we distribute some blankets and very warm clothes to the children and to the family.
The children have lost their own parents, so they were so scared to get out of their home, play with even with their own friends. So they need a special kind of counseling.
हामी पहिला आएर यस्तो किचन खोल्ने भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ यस्तो के रे यस्तो हामीले अब जाउलो खाउँछौं के रे यस्तो खानाबाट यस्तो यस्तो पाइन्छ बजारको खानाले यस्तो यस्तो असर गर्छ भनेर चाहिँ आमाहरुलाई राम्रोसँग बुझाएर भने त्यसपछि चाहिँ उहाँहरूले पनि बुझ्नु भएर हाम्रो खानालाई चाहिँ राम्रोसँग के रे सपोर्ट गर्नुभयो.
To care for the survivors discharged prematurely from the overcrowded hospitals, the Nepal Youth Foundation turned their nutritional homes into recovery shelters and provided medical care to almost 300 people. Anjali is one of the children supported by NYF's expanded kinship care program. Anjali lost both of her parents in the earthquake when they were buried in a landslide. Now Anjali lives with her impoverished grandfather, who without help would not be able to support her. $350 a year is all it takes to pay for Anjali's school, clothing, and food. She is one of 800 kinship care children who have been given a second chance to rebuild their lives. Restoring a sense of security for the children also meant getting safe schools up and running. The Nepal Youth Foundation's experience building classrooms for the freed Kamlari provided a sound foundation.
We found that all the heavy structures are very risky in schools. So based on that, we thought a design like this, this is a truss-based design, steel framework. It's not only enough for us to bring in the designs, it's also important to build the skills locally as well. We actually show them the things and they get the hands-on experience in building the model house. In many places we already are getting a feedback saying, oh, this is how it's done, because they are more confident now. Okay, we can do it.
I came to Nepal 30 years ago, and at that time, most children did not go to school, and there were very few schools in rural areas. And when I spoke to the children, their dream of everybody I spoke to was to go to school someday. And in the intervening 30 years, we started the Nepal Youth Foundation, and we have given scholarships to tens of thousands of Nepali children for education and built many, many schools. To the parents here, I say something that you already know, which is that there is nothing more important you can do for your children than to educate them. It is the key, the entry to a happy life, a fulfilling life, and a successful life.